Never accept the definition of life from others. It is your life, define it yourself. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the Max class. Standard 8. Today our topic is Unit 2 Measurements. We are going to learn about combined shapes. Just to recap what we have learned last week. In previous week we have learnt about the parts of a circle and how to find the length of the arc and area and perimeter of the sector by using the formula. In today's class, we are going to move on to the next topic in the same unit, measurements, combined shapes. I'll tell you what is combined shape. Before that, let us recall what are the shapes we have learnt in previous classes. In our day-to-day life, we use infinitely many things with the shapes like circle, triangle, square, rectangle, rhombus, and etc. Let us see few examples for combined shapes. What do we observe from the figures? The shape of a glass window is like a semicircle placed over a rectangle. Then, second figure, the front facing wall of a model house looks like a triangle over a square. An invitation card which is made up of a rectangle with 4 semicircles. And the last one is the locker is made up of rectangle and square shapes. So we can conclude 2 or more plane figures joined with the sides of same measure give rise to combined shapes. Perimeter of combined shapes. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all the sides. So perimeter of combined shapes, the perimeter of a combined shape is the sum of all the length of the sides that form a closed boundary. Area of combined shapes. The area of a combined shapes is the sum of all the areas of the simple shapes in it. Note, length of the semicircular arc 1 by 2 into 2 pi r. That is, length of the arc here, number of equal sector is 2. Semicircle means it will be divided into 2 equal parts. So the actual formula is 1 by n into 2 pi r. Here number of equal sector is 2. That's why we are writing 1 by 2 into 2 pi r. This is the formula for length of the semicircular arc. Then length of the arc of the circular quadrant, that is 1 by 4 into 2 pi r. Here quadrant means a circle is divided into 4 equal parts. So number of equal sector is 4. Therefore 1 by 4 into 2 pi r. In page 61, the formula to find the area and perimeter of some plane figures learnt in the earlier class. Here triangle, first shape is triangle. Area of the triangle is half BH and perimeter of the triangle is sum of all the sides. Then equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 a square is the area and perimeter same formula. Then for quadrilateral, half into d into h1 plus h2 is area and sum of 4 sides. Then parallelogram, area of the parallelogram is b into h and perimeter of the parallelogram 2 into a plus b. Rectangle, L into B is the area and 2 into L plus B is the perimeter of rectangle. Then for trapezium, half into h into A plus B is the area and sum of all the four sides is the perimeter. Then rhombus, half into D1 into D2 is area and perimeter of the rhombus is 4A. Then square, A square is the area and 4A is perimeter of the square. Exercise 2.2, first problem. Find the perimeter and area of the figures given below. Pi value is 22/7. First subdivision diagram is given. Here it is a combined shape. Two shapes are combined. So the shapes are rectangle and semicircle. Semicircle portion is cut from the rectangle of one side. And length and breadth of the rectangle is given as 10 meter and 7 meter. And this portion will be, it is like a rectangle. If you join this side, it is like rectangle. So here the given shapes are rectangle and semicircle. So length of the rectangle is 10 meter and breadth of the rectangle is 7 meter. Then semicircle, here up in rectangle, opposite sides will be equal. So this side 10 meter means opposite side also will be 10 meter. And this side is 7 meter. So opposite side also 7 meter. That means for semicircle it will be the diameter. So diameter is 7 meter. So radius diameter by 2. That is 7/2 meter. To find perimeter of the given shape and area of the given shape. So here solution, perimeter of the figure. What do you mean by perimeter? Sum of all the sides. Here we have 3 sides and one part semicircular arc. So the 3 sides we are going to add plus length of the semicircular arc. That is, the 3 sides are 10 plus 7 plus 10 plus length of the semicircular arc formula is 1/2 into 2 pi r. So the 2 will be cancelled. That is 10 plus 10 plus 7 is 27 plus pi value is mentioned as 22/7. So 22/7 into radius is 7/2. So we can cancel. So 7 ones are 7 ones are, then 2 ones are 2 11s are 22. That means 27 plus 11 ones are 11. So 27 plus 11 is 38. Therefore, perimeter of the given figure is 38 meter. Second subdivision, area of the given figure. So here rectangle shape is given. One side of the rectangle, semicircular part is cut off. So that is area of the rectangle minus area of the semicircle. If you are subtracting area of the semicircle from area of rectangle, you can get the area of the given figure. That is, area of the rectangle formula is L into B minus area of the semicircle formula is pi r square by 2. So we can apply the value. So L value is 10 and breadth value is 7 minus pi is 22/7. Already we have 2 in the denominator. So that 2 also we have written. Then R value is 7/2. Here R square is given. So we are writing 2 times. 7/2 into 7/2. Now we can cancel that. 2 ones are, 2 11s are, 7 ones are and 7 ones are. And remaining values we cannot cancel. So as it is we can write. So 10 into 7 is 70 minus 11 into numerator we can multiply. 11 into 7 is 77 and denominator 2 2s are 4. Now we are going to take LCM. The denominator will be 1. So the denominator will be 1. So we can cross multiply these two. That is 70 into 4s are 280 minus 77 ones are 77 and whole divided by 4. 280 minus 77 is 203 by 4. So we can divide this. 203 by 4 is 50.75 meters square. So this is area, so we are writing square units. Therefore, perimeter is 38 meter and area of the given figure is 50.75 meter square. First problem, second subdivision. Find the perimeter and area of the given figure. Pi value is already they have mentioned 22 by 7. So a diagram is given. In this diagram, what are the shapes are combined? That is rectangle and two quadrants. So here the shapes are rectangle and quadrant. So we can write the value, we can list out the values. So length is 6 centimeter and the breadth of the rectangle is 3.5 centimeter. Then quadrant, the radius will be 3.5 centimeter. This is the radius of the quadrant. So this is 3.5. That means this side also will be 3.5 centimeter. And here 3.5 means opposite side also 3.5 centimeter. And this also radius. So 3.5 centimeter. So this is 6 centimeter. Opposite side also will be 6 centimeter. Now we are going to find out perimeter and area of the given figure. Solution. First when we will find the perimeter. Perimeter means already we have known, that is sum of all the sides plus area of the plus 2 into length of the arc of circular quadrant. That is sum of all the sides. What are the sides are there? That is 6 plus 3.5, then one arc, then 6, 3.5 and again one arc. That will be the boundary of the figure. So we can add all that. That is 6 plus 3.5 plus 6 plus 3.5, then 2 into length of the arc of circular quadrant. The formula is 2 into 1 by 4 into 2 pi r. So we can cancel 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2 1s are. Then we can substitute the remaining values. Here 6 plus 6 is 12. 3.5 plus 3.5 is 7. So 12 plus 7 is 19. Plus pi value is 22 by 7 into radius is 3.5. Then again we can cancel with the 7th table. 7 1s are 7 5s are. It's a decimal point. So we can write 0.5. Then we can multiply 19 plus 22 into 0.5 is 11. So after the decimal point 0 is not valid. So that is 9 plus 11, that equal to 30 centimeter. Therefore perimeter of the given figure is 30 centimeter. Second subdivision, area of the given figure, that is two shapes are given, that is area of the rectangle and two quadrant portion, that is 2 into area of quadrant. So we can write the formula. Area of a rectangle formula is L into B square units plus 2 into area of a quadrant formula is pi r square by 4. So we can apply the value. Length of the rectangle is 6 and breadth of the rectangle is 3.5 plus, here we can cancel 2 and 4. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. So we can write, instead of pi we can write 22 by 7 and the denominator we have 2 into R value is 3.5 into 3.5. So we can cancel 7 ones are 7.5s are 3.5. Then 2 ones are 2 11s are. Then 6 into 3.5 plus 11 into 0.5 is 5.5 into 3.5. So we can multiply the values. 6 into 3.5 is 21.0 plus 5.5 into 3.5 is 19.25. After multiplying 55 into 35, we can keep the decimal point. We have 2 decimal points after the digit. After the decimal point, we have 2 digits. So from the last, we have left 2 digits and place the decimal point. Here, after the decimal point, 0 is not valid. So we can add 21 plus 19.25. When you are adding, we can add like this. This is the whole number and this is the decimal number. So we can add like this. So this is 25, 9 plus 1 is 10 and the remainder 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So area of the given figure is 40.25 centimeter square and answer perimeter of the given figure is 30 centimeter and area of the combined figure is 40.25 centimeter square. Second problem, find the area of the shaded part. Pi value is 3.14. So diagram is given. This is in the form of square and inside the square we have 4 quadrant parts. So the combined figures are square and quadrant. So square means all the 4 sides will be equal. So one side is given as 10 centimeter. So all the remaining 3 sides also will be 10 centimeter. So A is 10 centimeter. For quadrant, this portion will be the radius. So totally 10 centimeter means this portion will be 5 centimeter. So this is 5 and this side also 5 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the quadrant is 5 centimeter. Now we are going to find out area of the shaded part. So shaded part means that middle portion. So here, how will you find the middle part? That is area of the square minus how many quadrants are there? 4 quadrants are there. So minus 4 into area of a quadrant. That is area of the shaded part equal to area of a square minus 4 into area of quadrant. Then we can write the formula. Area of a square is a square minus 4 into area of the quadrant formula is pi r square by 4. Then we can cancel these 4 in the numerator and the denominator. Then a square is 10 into 10 minus pi is mentioned as 3.14 into what is the radius? 5. So 5 into 5. So 10 times are 100 minus 314 into 25. When you are multiplying, you can get 7,850. Here we have decimal point. After the decimal point, we have 2 digits. So from the last, leave 2 digits and place the decimal point. When you are subtracting 100 minus 78.50, you can get 21.5 centimeter square. That is 100 0 00 then 78.50, then you can subtract. This will be 9 and 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. That is 21.5 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the shaded part is 21.5 centimeter square. Then 7 sevens are 49. 157 into 49 is 7693. It's a decimal point. After the decimal point we have 2 digits. So from the last leave 2 digits and place the decimal point minus 49. Then you can subtract these two numbers, that is 76.93. Then 49 is the whole number, so we can write 0. Then subtract these two, 3, then 9. Here we can borrow 1, so 16, this will be 6. 16 minus 9 is 7. 6 minus 4 is 2. Therefore, 27.93 meter square. Therefore, area of the shaded part is 27.93 meter square. Third problem, find the area of the combined figure which is got by the joining of two parallelograms. What is the property of parallelogram? Opposite sides will be parallel and equal. So diagram is given. Here two parallelograms are joined to make the combined figure. So here measurements are given. So one side base of the parallelogram is 8 centimeter and the height, total height they have given as 6 centimeter. So each parallelogram has 3 centimeter as height. That is given parallelogram, base of the parallelogram is 8 centimeter and height of the parallelogram is 8 centimeter. So 3 centimeter. To find area of the combined figure, that is solution, area of the combined figure is, here two parallelograms are there, that is 2 into area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram formula is 2 into base into height, that is 2 into base is 8 and the height is 3, that is 2 into 24. 2 24s are 48 centimeter square. That is the area of the combined figure. So area of the combined figure, answer is 48 centimeter square. Home assignment, exercise 2.2. Children, I hope you all have understood about combined shapes of area and perimeter. In this unit, formulae are very important. If you are thorough in all the formulae, it will be very easy to do all the sums from this chapter. So try to learn all the formula thoroughly. In homework sum number 4. Find the area of the combined figure given, formed by joining a semicircle of diameter 6 cm with the triangle of base 6 cm and height 9 cm. So diagram is given in the book, and here two shapes are combined. The combined shapes are triangle and semicircle. So base of the triangle is 6 cm and the height of the triangle is 9 cm. For semicircle, the base will be the diameter. So diameter is 6 centimeter. That means radius is d by 2. That is 3 centimeter. Then to find area of the combined figure. So area of the combined figure formula is area of a triangle plus area of a semicircle. So formula I have written half BH plus pi r square by 2. So half of the sum I have done for you. Only calculation you are going to do. I think it is very easy to do the sum. So in next class we will learn about the new interesting topic 3D shapes. Thank you, children.